Alright guys, after some time we're back and let's see what we got going on here now. Let's see. Got some freshly painted pieces that are all set and ready to go. Head bolts, crank bolt, oil pan bolts, timing cover, freshly painted timing cover, brand new seal. That was a push rod cover for the 4.9. Freshly painted valve cover, ready to go back on. We got the transmission back. A lot of changes since the last video. I've been only able to work out a few minutes here and there to try and get stuff done. As you see here, those are the old springs out of the truck. You'll see a little bit later on, we got new springs. Let's see, we got the new. Come on. There we go. Come on. Now the camera wants to act funny. Brand new harmonic balancer. Replaced the one that broke before. Part of the ignition system there tells it when to fire based upon rotation. This, I don't know if you can tell very well, has been painted. It's the shifter for inside the cab. The exhaust manifold's still off. So I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do there. There's the transmission now for the back of the transmission that broke. Got a new one here. Got to put that on still. What's in this box? Oh, we got a brand new slave cylinder. The old one, it didn't leak, but the old one is old. There's no telling how old it was. However, you know, since you have to take the transmission out in order to replace it, figure better safe than sorry. Put the old one in storage, put the new one on. This way down the road we have it if we need it. Then you can see down there, that's the old clutch. The old flywheel has been scuffed up. Got a new clutch inside for it still. Here's the old engine now, completely in pieces. Showed you the metal that we found last time. Here's the new engine with the upgraded cam installed. That way you can see in there. Let me get a flashlight real quick. Hold on, bear with me. Also, let's turn those off for a second. Now, way you can tell, as you can see, this is definitely an upgraded cam compared to the little lobes from the stock cam. Okay. So now the next step here is we're going to put the oil pan on it. We're going to put the timing cover on it. Get that back together. Flip the engine over. Put the push rods in it. Reconnect the valve train, and then start assembly. There's the old point gasket. You know, so we can get the intake manifolds put back on and get the rest of it put back on, like the water pump sitting in there. A bunch of other pieces that I showed before in the earlier video. And then there's the oil pan sitting on top of the motorcycle. And get back to you sporadically throughout the day and keep you updated on the progress.